In this video, I'll show you how to share a Google Form link. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of education and kinds of contents like this. Now, what you're going to do right now, you're going to head over to your browser, right? You're going to click on these dotted icons, right? Once you have clicked on it, once it has opened up, what you're going to do right now, you're going to click on this, right? Once you've clicked on it, you're going to scroll down. Then there's the forms here. You're going to click on it, right? Wait for it to load up. Give it very few seconds, I think. So once it has opened up, you're gonna click on this blank form, right? So let's say once you have set up everything you want to set up, right? I made a video in my channel how you can create a Google form, so ensure you go watch everything, right? What you're gonna do or how you can share this. Once you're done with everything, you're gonna click on here, right? I'm gonna click on here, right? So I think okay, yeah, or you can come on here and yeah, okay, yeah, from this link basically you can come on here. You can actually you can either add them up manually, right? You can add them up manually, that is if you copy the link, right? Or you can, like, once you have set up everything, yeah, so what you can do if you want to share your Google Form link, you're going to click on this copy responders link, right? If you copy it, this is basically the link. You can share it to your friends, your family, anyone you want to share to, right? So this is basically how you can copy Google Form link. Like, you can copy a Google Form link and share, right? If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one. So basically, you're gonna click on here, right, to copy the form, share to family, to your friends. See you guys in the next one.